Hello, welcome to OMC Ford in Oldham. Today we're looking at this Ford Kuga. This is the Kuga Vignale. It's 1.5 petrol EcoBoost engine which delivers 150 brake horsepower. Now on the Ford world, Vignale is the top of the range. There's nothing better within the Ford world. The specification on this particular car is fantastic. We've got satellite navigation, rear view camera, front and rear sensors, active park assist. The car will actually do the steering for you if you're struggling to get into a tight spot. We've got full premium leather interior with heated front and rear seats. The driver's seat's got 10-way electrical adjustment. It's also got memory seats with 3 settings. It's got a powered tailgate. It's got wireless charging pad. 19-inch nickel alloys. Got selectable drive modes. It's got modes for mud, sand, off-road, slippery, wet. So makes your driving superb and very easy to handle in any condition. As well as a rear camera, it's also got a front camera, so you get 360 degrees view when you manoeuvre in the car. It's got Vignale scuff plates, it's got Vignale badging across the car. It's a one-owner car with very low mileage, just over 6,500 miles. It's got full service history, and it's a one-owner car. The car's available here at OMC in Oldham for viewing, and we're ready for a test drive shortly. If you feel that this is the car for you, you can reserve it online for just £99. It's fully refundable if you decide the car isn't for you. We do take any car as a part exchange. We'll do a full professional appraisal on your current car while you're test driving ours. Please remember to bring along your driver licence when you visit the dealership. We offer a selection of finance products including both PCP and hire purchase. Please ask your sales advisor for more information on these. We also offer a more personalised, more detailed video if that's an option for you. If there's something you need to see in a little bit more detail, please let us know. We can be contacted on 0161 287 4141 for further information or to book your appointment. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks very much.